Namaste to all dear warriors, welcome to my YouTube channel Aspirants in the Quest of Knowledge. So here in this video we are going to discuss BBA first semester awaiting video principles of management important questions list. So let us discuss without wasting further more time. Please, if you have not subscribed my channel, my humble request you all to subscribe the channel so that we can have live sessions, because for live sessions we need at least 1000 subscribers. So for that purpose I am asking you to subscribe the channel so that we can do more uh, interaction with the students and it will be useful for you all. And first and foremost thing relating to principles of management subject, in this subject there are very less repeated questions. So compared to BOM, previously I have uploaded basics of marketing. Compared to that, in this there will be more number of questions. In BOM maximum I gave 5 important questions for each unit, but here we may find 7 to 8 important questions, as repeated questions are not coming in the exam. So first unit, introduction to management. So short questions. What is management? Here we mention the year in which it is been asked also. Management as profession, or management and our arts, whether management is art or profession or science. There is one question relating to it, please read that one. Scalar chain, this is one of the important concept relating to principle relating to Henry Fayol's 14th principle, that is also will be asked. Distinguish between scientific management theory of Taylor and administrative theory of Fayol, this is also one of the important questions. And difference between administration and management, this might also be asked. So these are the short questions relating to first unit. And when we go for the long questions, in the long questions we are having essay questions. What is management? Define its scope. Sometimes you may think this is very simple one, easy one, and you leave it, but sometimes these only will come. In December 2016 they have asked. Discussed in detail Henry Fayol's management thought. Okay, evolution of management, in that case this is one of the question asked twice, in November and as well as in December 2018. Explain the evolution of management thought with reference to different types of managerial theory, management theories. One of the important questions, don't leave that one. How does system approach of management differ from the contingency approach? Okay, systems approach and contingency approach, last few topics relating to management thought, so don't leave those, that will also be asked. Then management is a science or art, substantiate your view, पता है ना. समटाइम्स लाइक दिस क्वेश्चंस विल बी आस्क्ड, सी कैटेगरी क्वेश्चन, उतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं लेकिन कभी कभी आता है. एक्सप्लेन द एडवांटेजेस एंड limitations of scientific management technique. प्लीज़ साइंटिफिक मैनेजमेंट टेक्निक को छोड़ो मत, बहुत बार पूछा गया है. ओके, नेक्स्ट, डिफाइन मैनेजमेंट in a comprehensive manner. Explain the major functions of management. This is been also asked in December 2017. So second unit is planning. So planning is very important concept for anything. So planning से related questions, let us see short questions. Write briefly about types of planning. Types के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. Short term plans, long term plans, okay, like that. And next question relating to decision making. Some people think that planning is decision making. No, planning is the first step for decision making. And strategic decisions, there is difference between normal decisions and strategic decisions. Strategic decisions are taken by the top level management. These will be according to the mission and vision of the organization. वो सब बातें यहाँ पे आ जाते हैं. Okay. Differentiate between objectives and policies. Objectives and policies के बीच में difference क्या है वो రెండిటి మధ్యలో తేడా ఏంటిది. Difference between short term and long term planning. This is also one of the important question. Types of decision making. Sometimes these types may be asked as a long question also with the other questions relating to management. So define planning, explain the importance and significance of planning, explain briefly about various steps involved in the process of planning. See, planning is one of the important concept, so don't leave that one. Explain briefly about process of formulation of policy. This is one of the important question. Okay. So describe the procedure as a type of plan. How does different forms of policies and rules, what are the characteristics of good procedure? ये प्रोसीजर से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन है, मई जून 2018 में पूछे गए. ओके, थोड़ा ड्राई लगता लेकिन पढ़ना पड़ेगा एग्जाम के लिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट इज डिसीजन मेकिंग. Explain the about significance of decision making. What is decision making? Explain the decision making process. यहाँ पे significance means importance and here decision making process, how you will make the decision. Okay, वो process के बारे में पूछ रहे. What are the major features of strategic decision making and tactical decision making? These two are different things, strategic and tactical. उसके बारे में. What are problems involved in decision making? ये और एक क्वेश्चन है. So please remember this. One concept relating to decision making, another concept relating to planning. These will become in exam most of the times repeatedly, and others now and then they will come. So go through those also once. Next chapter 3 organization. So unit 3 organization you can say. In case of organization, these are the short question. What is span of management? Span of control भी पूछते हैं. Difference between centralization and decentralization. This may it be asked as a long question also. Don't leave that concept. Write about the line and staff functions. What is organization structure? Organization structure के बारे में भी क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो. What is organization? Explain the principles of organization. Write about patterns of organization and its types. Different patterns are there, उसके बारे में. Define formal and informal organization. State their characteristics. उसके characteristics के बारे में बता दो बोल रहे. List out the difference between formal and informal organization. Okay, this is also one of the important question. Here date mentioned are those questions which previously asked and which are important, might not be asked earlier, might be asked in next coming exams. So don't leave these things. What is explain the relationship between line and staff, just now I explained. And next what is departmentization, how it is essential for management of a business enterprise. This is asked December 2017. Next they are asking what is mean by delegation of authority. Discuss the types and prerequisites for delegation of authority. ये वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. नेक्स्ट वी आर हैविंग यूनिट 4 staffing. In unit 4 staffing, following are some of the important questions. State various sources of recruitment, internal external sources के बारे में. Define motivation, one of the important concept. Training, span of control, distinction between recruitment and selection, staffing. These are the short questions generally asked, and long questions we are having from this unit are related to this unit are: what is recruitment, what are the different sources of recruitment, what is selection, explain the process of selection, what is training, what are the different techniques of training, and how directing function of management involves, what is the importance of directing management process. This is also one of the important question. Explain the importance of control in a business organization. What is difference between strategic and operational control? This is also one of the important question many a times asked. What do you mean by span of control? What are its types and what are the factors that determine span of control? Please remember, this is very important question. Explain the Malso need hierarchy theory. मोटिवेशन से रिलेटेड थियरी से वो तीनों भी एक बार पढ़ के जाना है. ओके, नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चंस बढ़ रहे बोर्ड के मैंने निकाल दिए, ओनली एक ही रखा. सो मोटिवेशन इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट, डोंट लीव दैट वन. कंपेयर एंड कंट्रास्ट कोऑर्डिनेशन एंड कोऑपरेशन विथ सुटेबल एग्जांपल्स. दिस इज recently asked in 2021. Emerging issues, unit 5, emerging issues in the management. Okay, short questions. Determine the terms of technology and technology management. Define terms of talent management and knowledge management. Organization development. What is corporate social responsibility, CSR we generally call, and MOB, management by organization, that is also important. What is total quality management? What is its importance? Explain the methods. Very important concept, TQM in the 5th unit. Discuss the nature of control. What is essential for better management. ओके, कंट्रोल से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन है. प्लानिंग विदाउट कंट्रोल इज मीनिंगलेस एंड कंट्रोल विदाउट प्लानिंग इज वेस्ट. ये मार्च 2021 में पूछे, ये 22 में कंट्रोल से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन पूछे. टोटल क्वालिटी मैनेजमेंट एंड स्टेट इट एसेंशियल फीचर्स. दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. आई हैव सेड in this unit, total quality management and CSR, corporate social responsibility, these two are very important concepts, don't leave them. ऐसा मतलब नहीं कि बाकी छोड़ देना. Discuss the role of technology management in the organization. What do you mean by organizational change? ये भी एक क्वेश्चन आएगा, कभी कभी आके ऐसा चौंका देगा कि आपको परेशान हो जाएंगे एग्जाम में. सो ये पढ़ के जाइए. What are the characteristics of organizational change? Importance. Okay, and difference between organizational development and organizational change. ये भी एक क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी 8 हो गए बोल के मैंने टाइप नहीं किया, एक बार रीड आउट करके जाइए, छोड़ना नहीं किसी भी चीज़ को. एंड वन मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, see, don't go by important questions. Though I am giving important questions, I myself telling you that prepare 3 units perfectly. Prepare 3 units perfectly. If you prepare 3 units perfectly, 48 marks you will write perfectly. Out of 48 marks, if for 10 marks, if he is giving 7 also, 70%, it will be amount to 34 marks. okay, around 34 marks, and remaining 32 marks if you write important क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के कुछ ना कुछ लिखे तो 50% मार्क्स उसके लिए डाले तो भी 16 मार्क्स हो जाएंगे. 34 plus 16 50 marks, and in internal you are getting plus 20 marks from internal, so around 70 marks you can easily get for 100 marks. So your grade will be more than A or A plus. But here your accuracy, if your accuracy in these 3 units is 80%, then this will be around 50 here itself, okay, nearby 45 marks यहीं पे आ जाएंगे आपको. 45 plus this 16 51 marks plus 20, ये यहाँ पे आप परसेंटेज बढ़ा रहे तो ये परसेंटेज ऑटोमेटिक बढ़ जाता रहता है. सो प्रिपेयर द बेस्ट, परफॉर्म बेटर देन द बेस्ट इन द एग्ज़ाम. ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू ऑल. सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. एंड फॉर योर valuable suggestions I am always ready. Give your comments to the video and లైక్ కరో, షేర్ కరో, अपने दोस्तों तक पहुंचा दो. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ వరకు ఇది షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, बिकॉज शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग. एंड सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बन तो जीतना बन. जय हिंद.